G'day, here's a piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The material's been wetted, rules in millimetres. Basically it's been sawn reasonably flat, just needs a little bit of an edge taken off there. Saw's jumped, but if somebody wants to do a gem tree or something like this would be a nice base, and pretend that's some water under the tree perhaps. There's no other opal in it, I don't think. Basically just being sold as a specimen, like I say, for a base or a paperweight. That's the back. Just go around the edge. I think that pretty well gives you an idea of what you're looking at. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.